All right, so today we're doing a deep dive into a tool that Google seems to have rolled out so quietly that almost nobody noticed. It's called Pomelli.
And it's one of those things where once you see what it actually does, you realize it's a fundamental disruption.
Exactly. All our sources are pointing to the same conclusion. This free AI can create an instant, fully branded marketing system. So the mission today is, well, how do you monetize that?
Right. How do you take this incredibly powerful free tool and turn it into a real high-value subscription business?
Yeah.
Because it's delivering what used to cost thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
We're talking a complete brand strategy, campaign ideas, everything.
Okay, so let's break down how it actually works. You go to the website, labs.google.com/Pomelli, and what happens then?
You just feed it a URL. That's literally it. Any business website.
And it just scans the site.
It scans it, and in just a few minutes, it generates what they call the business DNA.
And that's more than just a logo, right? I mean, we're talking about the whole package.
The whole package. The exact hex codes for their colors, a defined tone of voice, brand values. It even suggests the type of imagery they should be using.
So it's essentially a brand book.
A free, totally automated brand book. But then it immediately takes the next logical step.
Which is making the actual content.
Exactly. Social posts, ads, emails, all of it. And it's all perfectly matched to that DNA it just created.
I saw that one example from the sources, the one about open eye tours. It was astonishing.
Yeah, that was a great one.
It just analyzed their website and boom, created an entire holiday campaign, Give the Gift of Aloha.
And it had the images ready to go and everything.
Yeah, and it even added that layer of social proof, award-winning experiences trusted by travelers. It's doing the strategic work for you.
And that strategic automation is the key to solving a massive emotional hurdle for small business owners, something we can call AI guilt.
AI guilt, I like that. What do you mean by that exactly?
Well, they know they need to be using AI. They know they have to automate to save time and make more sales, but they feel paralyzed.
They just don't know where to start.
Precisely. And that tour company is the perfect example. Their last post on social media was, 8 months ago?
8 months ago, yeah. If you're a traveler looking them up, that's a huge red flag. That inactivity just erodes trust.
And that's the pain point you sell a solution to.
So that's where the Pomelli content packs come in.
Right. And the pricing for these is pretty solid.
The sources were suggesting anywhere from $300 to $600 a month for, say, 20 posts.
And you can easily scale that up to $1,000, maybe even $2,000 a month for a daily content subscription.
Okay, so how do you land these clients?
The acquisition strategy is all about leading with value, pure value.
So no hard sell up front.
None. You just send a simple, intriguing email talking about a free website scan, and you attach free samples.
Like 2 to 6 posts it actually generated for their specific business.
Exactly. Or even just a screenshot of their custom business DNA. You demonstrate your value immediately before ever asking for $1.
Okay, but if you're trying to sell dozens of these, you need to scale. You need a full automation stack to manage it all.
You absolutely do.
So let's talk about the other two tools. First, for lead generation, we're looking at Google Gemini.
And the prompt is really important here, right? You have to tell it to act as an agency.
Yeah, you tell it to act as your agency and find, for example, 20 active local businesses in a specific industry with their URL and decision makers title.
The reason this works so well is that Gemini is pulling its data directly from Google's ecosystem.
From Google Maps specifically.
Right. So you're targeting businesses that are confirmed to be active and viable, not some stale, outdated list.
Okay, so that handles the leads. What about fulfillment? How do you actually get all this content posted without losing your mind?
That's where a scheduler or a marketing hub like Go High Level is critical.
Because you can't be logging in and out of every client's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn.
Oh, God, no. That's a password nightmare. With a hub like that, you take the content from Pomelli and schedule it all out to every platform simultaneously.
And it bypasses that client friction. They just have to click one connection link and you handle the rest.
And we know this model works. One of the sources cited a community member who locked in $1,500 a month.
Just creating and scheduling 64 posts for a local plumber. The model is proven.
It is.
So the core takeaway for you is pretty clear. This whole strategy is built around high-speed content creation.
And money loves speed.
It really does. This is a direct path to building a profitable, recurring revenue stream, and fast.
Which leaves us with a pretty powerful final thought.
Go on.
If this combination of free and trial tools lets anyone from anywhere generate professional on-brand strategy for any business in the world. What does this new high-speed efficiency mean?
Right.
What does it mean for the future of local marketing agencies that have built their entire business model on being in the same zip code as their clients?
That's a huge shift you now have to consider.